The human brain. 3 pounds of grey matter capable of building cities, composing symphonies, and wondering about itself. Despite decades of research and extraordinary technological advances, the brain remains, in many ways, a mystery. We've mapped regions, traced neural pathways, and observed the chemistry of thought. But there are still questions science simply cannot answer. In this video, we explore 7 fascinating mysteries of the human brain, phenomena that continue to puzzle neuroscientists and defy logic. 1. Consciousness. What makes us aware? We can measure brainwaves. We can observe activity in real time. But what exactly is consciousness? What turns neurons firing into a sense of self? Some theories suggest that consciousness emerges from complexity, a kind of critical mass of brain activity. Others hint at quantum processes inside neurons, but none of them fully explain how subjective experience arises from biological tissue. Why do we experience life from the inside? No one knows for sure. 2. Dreams. Why do we dream? We all dream, but we still don't know why. Some scientists believe dreams help consolidate memories. Others think they process emotions or simulate future scenarios. Freud believed they revealed repressed desires, while modern theories suggest they might just be noise, a byproduct of a restless brain. And yet, some dreams feel profound, prophetic, or impossible to forget. What are dreams really for? That mystery remains unsolved. 3. The placebo effect. How can belief heal? Imagine taking a sugar pill and getting better. The placebo effect is one of the most puzzling phenomena in medicine. Simply believing that a treatment works can lead to real, measurable improvements in symptoms, sometimes even in cases of chronic pain, depression, or neurological disorders. How is that possible? How can belief trigger physical healing? Placebos show us that the mind can influence the body in ways we still don't fully understand. 4. Selective memory. Why do we forget or remember? You remember your first kiss, but not what you had for breakfast last week. Why? Memory is not a recording device. It's selective, emotional, and often unreliable. But how does the brain decide what to keep and what to discard? Why do we sometimes forget things we desperately want to remember and remember things we wish we could forget? Even stranger, false memories, vivid, detailed memories of events that never happened. How does the brain fabricate entire realities? 5. Intuition. Thinking without thinking. You meet someone and instantly feel you can trust or distrust them. You make a decision without knowing why, and it turns out to be right. That's intuition. Is it a form of unconscious pattern recognition, a mental shortcut shaped by evolution? Or is it something deeper, a hidden intelligence operating below awareness? Whatever it is, intuition plays a powerful role in how we navigate life, often before reason has a chance to speak. 6. Déjà vu. When the present feels like the past. You walk into a room you've never seen before and suddenly feel like you've been there. That's déjà vu. Some say it's a glitch in the brain's memory system, a delay between sensory input and conscious recognition. Others believe it's the brain misfiring, confusing the present for the past. But why does it happen at all? Why do these moments feel so real, so eerie, and so meaningful? Science doesn't yet have a clear answer. 7. Creativity. Where do original ideas come from? What sparks a symphony, a novel, a revolutionary idea? Creativity is one of the brain's greatest gifts and greatest mysteries. It's not just intelligence or talent. It's the ability to connect things that others don't, to imagine what doesn't yet exist. But where does it come from? Researchers have linked creativity to certain brain states, like daydreaming or mind-wandering. But no one has found a formula. And perhaps that's the point. Creativity resists control. It's the mind going beyond itself. Conclusion: the human brain is a paradox, both the most studied and the least understood organ in the body. We know its structure, we've mapped its parts, but we still don't understand how it gives rise to the full experience of being human. These 7 mysteries are not flaws in our knowledge. They are frontiers, boundaries between what we know and what we don't, and perhaps what we may never know. The mind is trying to understand itself, and in that effort lies the greatest mystery of all.